Most of what you believe isn't yours. It was handed to you before you could ask why. We are Stone Age minds navigating a space age world. Evolution didn't make us winners, it made us survivors. Your ego is a survival tool defending a self-concept you didn't install. Change starts with the examined life. Civilization changed the rules, but the player is ancient. We traded meaningful hunting for rigid compliance. Now, algorithms harvest your attention for profit. We call this normal, but it's a design trap. You only have one life. It should be yours. Get your manuscript now.